even if you had, huge backing and massive amounts of funding, it can never be perfect before you start. And actually, in a lot of ways, not knowing what you're doing, I think, means that you listen more and you learn more and you adjust, and you're listening to your market, and you actually create a better product or a better service than you would have had you just, tried to do it all perfect at the beginning. So I think my biggest learning is being easy, or being okay with it not being okay.
I think sometimes the more you know, the harder it is to make that start, because you become paralyzed by all the things that could potentially go wrong, instead of just taking that leap of faith and just going for it and learning as you go, failing as you go.
Stuff will go wrong.
Yeah,
it absolutely will go wrong. And I think if you expect that and you're ready to respond, that's okay. Yeah.